guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my name is Aditya, and as you can see, as I uploaded a YouTube short about whatever I'm riding now. I've got the bicycle for a review. It's a review unit, so this is actually not my bike, but I asked for a rent over for this one, and it's not going. So this is a review unit, not a delivery unit. It's actually my bike only. Now let's get started with the review. Okay guys, so this is how it looks actually when you're this is how it looks. It looks quite stunning. Look at the shadow, it looks nice. Okay. It's very nice. So this the seat is actually leather seat. It's an untearable leather seat. As you can see, I'm scratching it. It just gives marks and you can wash it off with water. Here is the red color plastic, no leather anywhere, just a red plastic given below. A good choice though. And this color is a matte red or the extra or the super red. So there is the two variants in this particular vehicle. So the first variant is the XZE, that is the variant that we are seeing. It's the automatic variant. The XZA is the manual variant. So the manual variant will be costing you 8,000 rupees, and this one will be costing you 1 lakh rupees. With all accessories installed, this is how you can see the bicycle. So you can install some accessories. This one, my reflector, you have to install this one. It's a compulsory reflector. Actually, I have to install two. So one only the showroom had provided, but still I have to install two reflectors. So if it's one reflector, it's really pointless. It's kind of like a dummy reflector though. It looks like it doesn't work. Actually, I'm putting a flash on this. Yeah, it's a fake reflector. It is a fake unit. Now let us see what's there when you go inside the vehicle. Yeah. Now when you go inside the vehicle, there is a bunch of features like this entire multifunctional steering wheel. I'll just get this somewhere else. I'll just get the vehicle somewhere else. Yep. Yeah. There's a multifunctional steering wheel that's available. Not a bad unit. After all, it's a multifunctional unit. It's a park assist and all. It's available in the XZE. Manual variant. The manual variant will have a bit more this thing height and all that is not there in the normal variant. Okay, so this is the automatic variant. You see, just get rid of the stand. Now we will be inside the vehicle. What you'll be having is you'll be having two brakes. One is the left brake, one is the right brake. Okay. I have faced couple of problems with the brakes, so this one is the tightest now, and it's quite nice though. Feedbacks, it's quite nice after all. Now this entire is a black unit. It's not a white unit. It's not a silver unit. But for the wheels, if you want, you can modify it with the other one. That's a B-twin. It's available in another variant. That is the B-twin Princess variant. You can modify it with those beige wheels. You don't want to modify it with the black. But if it's a boy who owns this vehicle, they can modify it with these fancy black wheels instead of beige wheels. Okay, so beige is, I would say, beige would not be amazing, though it is not a great color after all. It's not a nice color. So as I would say, this is here the bell. You can choose your own unit for this one. Accessory required because I had to get this from the company itself. They actually provide bells. Okay, so they don't put it on this side. So the installation is quite nice though. It is a fit and finish quality. It's a metal type bell, faded on. Yeah, can you see it? Nice quality, right? The installation costed me 3,400 for a black, and the green one would actually cost you about 1,000 rupees. Actually, there are blue, green, and pink color options that are there. So I wanted to match completely with the steering wheel, so I had chosen black. You get compulsory stickers. You don't only have to assemble these stickers, the company will assemble and give the stickers to you. I just get it onto a faded surface. Yeah, as now it's quite better. Okay, now it's kind of shady, it's not like the sunlight over there, and so I don't understand, because it is a quite light steering wheel, though when it's on grass or it's running on the speed of 20, 40, 60, it would turn into something like a hard steering wheel. Okay, like almost hard. Like now I'm going to get into a surface and I'll show you. Okay, I'll just show you onto a surface. Just getting onto a surface. Yeah, if I just get you onto one surface, it's gonna be really nice. It's actually really nice though. I'll be uploading another video on this for the road testing, not for this. This is a compulsory review. Though the tires offer a very nice grip, so I'll be showing you the info about my tires for this vehicle. This is a steel alloy. I don't know how much is the tire section. I don't think you guys can see. Oh yeah, I don't think anyone can see it. So I'll offer you the tire specifications. It is 20 into 1, 95, 52 minus 48. Okay, so you'll have to be subtracting, and this will be a Ralzen tire offered in this particular variant. If you buy the manual, you'll be offering same tires but a different grip tire. It will be very grippy. It's also very nice. It's also a lot of vehicles are there with me, so it will not offer very good grip though. Though it's not an anti-skid alloy. Like if you run it on a marble floor too much, it needs to get some time to get used to it. Okay, now we'll talk about the riding. The riding is awesome. It's nothing bad. It's nothing bad after all. It's very. Now I'm on a bumpy grass surface. Yeah, it does run perfectly. But if it is too steep, that's what the thing is. It doesn't run. It doesn't really matter. It's quite nice after all. I like this one. Yeah, the road testing will be done in the next video. Yeah, our road testing video is going to be done live maybe. Our road testing is now I'm going to be talking about this. Here's the road. You're going to be having almost the same performance, but roads, I would say, if it's a bit steep, you have to use a bit more strength to make it pick up a bit. It should now. It runs perfectly on water. That's the best thing of it. It doesn't run that bad. If it's a too deep place or a shallow place, you won't be able to run easily. Okay, so I'll be telling you about this in detail after this video. So this is actually a review unit, no, a bought unit actually. So when I park the cycle on the grass or something, this stand will just go inside the grass, maybe in one of these. As you can see, this grass that I have over here, it is not at all shallow. It's very deep than the other grass. Okay, so like my hand can go. This cycle, no, this won't be able to be on this grass for such a long time. Okay, now I'll be showing you a demo now. Let us test drive it. Bye. I'll come back. So now I'm test driving it. It's quite smooth. Nothing bad. It's all good. Oh, it's nothing bad. It's nothing bad after all. The focus is also quite good. The steering is not so communicative. Quite less communicative for me. The parking and all, I feel it's a bit easier. But the paint over here that has come out, Okay, so in the morning also I found a unit of paint that had come out, so I don't know what happened to that. So my paint has also started to get faded. That's what I was going to tell about my paint getting faded. I'm not able to understand what is this problem. So I'm not going to wash it. I'm going to wash it for the next video. And oh man, this will be taking a reverse again, I think so. Yeah, so this is how it's going to be like when you, oh man, it's wet. Oh man, it's quite a bit steep now. So actually it can't run on a steep road that easily. So I want to show you something, guys, right now. What's there in my house? So when I enter my house, right guys, you can see this ramp. Okay, I'll just show you. It's very steep also though, but my cycle is not able to go that easily on this ramp. As you can see, this ramp, okay, this ramp my cycle can't go that easily on. So I would go from there, okay, from that entire road from there, and then I would come and just chud on the ramp easily. So cycle would just give it an easy chud, okay, though nothing bad. Now let us check the RPM that the wheel spins on. No need of brakes, just slide the thing on and just see 1500 RPM. Oh man, just see, very fast, easy, no? Also the stand removing, this is an adjustable stand, height adjustable for any easier things, like when you want to park in grass maybe, you can easily adjust the height for the stand. Doesn't matter. But the one thing I wanted to show is that when I just sit on the vehicle, or when I give it a sudden brake, or when I just put the stand, actually in reality you can see it, that the bumper is vibrating. Okay, it is going to vibrate somehow. So actually it's quite a bit putting pressure and riding it on this grass surface. Oh man, it doesn't have that much energy to pull on this grass surface at all. Okay, I'm trying to make it pull. Does it easily pull? Oh guys, I can't see. It doesn't easily pull. I'm actually not trusting this, okay? Somehow I had installed the applications and all. So this is actually costing me about 1 lakh rupees. And for the manual variant, it will cost you about extra lakhs. That is, oh man. Oh, that's an entire unit, I think so. Now, if you buy the manual variant, that's going to be costing you 8 lakhs for the price, and extra height and one color, 2 colors for the variants. So what is the variant that you're seeing now? Is the ST100 automatic XZA or XZE. I don't know which one I bought. XE Plus, okay. Automatic XE Plus. Very easy thing to ride, and also it's quite compact. Okay, so the manual variant that I was talking about, that will be having a gear over here. Just get into the vehicle to show you much better. Okay. So the manual variant will be having a new gearbox that will have maybe a 6 gears will have in the manual variant. If it's a small vehicle like this, you'll be having maybe some 5 gears maybe. Or else if it's a big vehicle, you'll be having 6 gears. That will be a good thing, but 6 gears are not useful at all for me. I would say 5 gears are better useful than 6 gears. So the last for all, conclusion. Bye guys. Ride safe. Vande Mataram. Bye guys.